Welcome to 39 Marita Drive, a charming home nestled in a quiet, peaceful neighborhood in Waterbury, perfect for comfortable living and easy entertaining. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the newer driveway and the home's well-maintained exterior, complete with a brand new roof for an added peace of mind. Step inside to a bright and inviting living space, ideal for relaxing or gathering with family and friends. This home features 3 spacious bedrooms and 1.5 baths, offering both comfort and functionality. Each bedroom provides a cozy retreat, while the layout ensures convenience for everyday living. Downstairs, you'll find a fully finished basement, perfect for a home office, entertainment area, or additional living space tailored to your needs. Stay comfortable with central air conditioning and enjoy the efficiency of a modern, tankless hot water heater. So whether you're relaxing at home or hosting guests, this property offers the perfect balance of comfort and practicality in a serene setting. Don't miss your chance to make this wonderful home yours. Contact me today to schedule your private showing of 39 Marita Drive.